my name is Liesel. Today I'm going to show you how to create your own Instagram links or Linktree page in your Elementor website. If this is what you're looking for, come with me. I have now signed into the back end of my WordPress website. We will go to Pages, Add New. In the title, I will just write Insta or links as you like and click on Edit with Elementor. Now we can see that on this page it shows my header with my menu, my logo, and also the page name. We do not require any of this for our new Insta or links page. So let's go down here to Settings, scroll down. We want to hide the title. And then at Page Layout, very important, choose Elementor Canvas. And now we've got a beautiful blank canvas to work with. We will click on the plus sign, choose the structure with the 3 columns. On our page, we will have a logo, a few buttons, and an image. All of this we are going to do with the free Elementor plugin. So to find the elements that we want to use, we are going to go to this little cube here at the top, click on it, go down to image and drag one into our middle column. Then we will click on there, search for my logo, click on the logo that I would like to put in there, and step 1 is done. Next up, it's time to add some buttons. On this design of mine, you can see that I've added 4 buttons, so let's do so. On the left-hand side, I will go down to Button, click on it and drag it over and place it underneath the logo and release. Let's first adjust this one button before we duplicate it to save us some time. When you look over to the left-hand side, here under Alignment, you will find some options. Click on Justified. This will expand the button over the whole width of the column. Then we can click to edit our button. So on the text, I wanted to say website, and in the link to my website, click here onto the link options, and I do not want it to open in a new window because most people will actually access this via their phone, so that will be a little bit confusing. Excellent. So let's duplicate, and now I can do my next one, and that would be my tariffs. And the last one, I want to do a little bit different, so contact me. And here we'll add my email address. And save my draft. Lastly, I want to add a friendly image to my links page. So we will go over to the left again, click on image and drag it in underneath the last button. Click on choose image. If you don't have an image yet, it's time to upload one. I want to use this one. And this is done. Now I can publish. Before we check our new links page on the mobile phones, let's just go and make sure that all of our links are working. To do that, we'll go down here to the bottom to the little eye icon, preview changes. Here you can now see what your page would look like if somebody would open it on desktop. Perfect. Let's test it. We will click on website. Great. Let's go back. It opens in the same tab, so that's perfect. Tariffs. Services, contact me. Yes, it's asking me to open as a mail, so that's perfect. Let's check mobile view. This is nice and neat and clean. It can easily direct your client either to your website or to make contact with you. Remember, you can always update this page, seeing that it's on your website, by just adding a new button. If you have a specific marketing activity or a special or something that you would like to lead them to. Now you can update your Instagram profile with your new links page and also your other social media if you like to. I hope you've learned something today. I hope you enjoyed it. And if you've got any other questions, let me know. Till next time. Bye bye.